So it says, at an entertainment hall, tables and chairs can be arranged. All right, tables and chairs can be arranged in 2 different ways as shown. All right, so they're showing us how you arrange the tables and the chairs. Arrangement L, arrangement M. Right? So it's either they turn them that way or they turn them the other way. All right. So you're seeing that, and then they're saying to you, guess what? Draw the diagram for the 4th. You're going to turn 4 of them like this. Not in the mood to take out the lines now. So we're going to turn 4 of them like this, yeah? All right, let me just split it up fast. All right, this is drawing ugly. I probably just have to use the line and done. And then I wanted to take up so much time, but let's just take out the lines. All right, you would have, at the top, you would have, say, 4. We're going to go 4. I'm not sure if, all right, so basically, I'm just saying you're going to get 4. So don't watch the size of what I'm doing here. I'm just barely splitting up the idea, all right? So we're going to get 4 of that. 1, 2, 3, 'Don't watch it. Don't watch the ugliness now. I'm just doing this quickie. All right, so you have about 4 like that. And then now you're gonna have to do your decorations. You have 2s up here, like 2. There's only 2 they have up here. And then they have 3 down there. 2 there. Now watch my ugly drawing now. All right, so that would have been 1. So you see the 2s and the 3s basically. And then now you're gonna turn it like this. So you're gonna have an arrangement like this. I'm going to do this one free hand. And we're gonna have 1, 2. So we turn them like this. And then we have 3s on the top now. And the 2s here. 3s. So it has to do with the seating. How people are seated. A person represents a chair right now. 1 person is that chair right now. That's the idea. So you would have done that and you collect your marks. Because I know everybody do that. You're right to draw your things and you work it out. All right? Yes. So now the next thing now is that we're supposed to fill out these. You could get some of these answers even when you don't understand what's going on at the table, because of how the things came in a sequential manner, or should I say consecutive 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're actually adding 4 each time. So this becomes 22. We're adding 6. This becomes 28. So you would have gotten 2 marks whether or not you understand what happened. But you need to understand to progress, because right now you will be stopped. So you're going to have to now understand what's the relationship between this column and that column. What's the relationship between this first column also and the last column? That is how you're going to be doing stuff like this, and then understand what goes here, what goes here. We have to find the relationship, right? You can quickly brainstorm. Look at the numbers, right? Look at the numbers quickly. So 6 times that plus 4, 6 times 4 times that plus 6, 4 times that plus 6, 4 times that plus 6. So basically, when I look at this, you know, when I move from this column to that column, I am seeing, look at this, I'm seeing 4 times 1 plus 6 give me 10. I'm seeing 4 times 2 plus 6 give me 14. I'm seeing 4 times 3 plus 6 give me 18. So it simply means that the first column is multiplying by 4, and then I add 6 and it takes me to the middle. Yeah. Yes. So technically, I could say this is 4n plus 6. 4 times anything here plus 6 take you to the corresponding spot here. 4, 4, 16 plus 6, 22. So you could see that, okay, that works. So you have to be thinking, looking out of your eyes and go on. All right, let us also look on filling out this other one down here. If you look at this, you have to find something. I'm seeing 6 times 1 plus 4 give me 10. I'm seeing 6 times 2 plus 4 give me 16. 6 times 3 plus 4 give me the 6 3s 18. Where am I? 6, where am I? 6. Yeah, 22 right here. 22. And if you check this one, you'll see that it worked out. Therefore, this is 6n plus 4. Now, how do I get these spots here? I needed to understand what's going on here to get that spot, because I'm going to go backwards. I'm going to move from the third column here all the way to that column. So the 6n plus 4, I'm going to go in reverse. So I'm going to subtract. I'm just going to do it here. Let me just tell you that I'm going to do it right here. So the 130, I'm going to subtract 4 from it first. So 130 minus 4, and it's going to give me 126. Then I divide it by 6. And it's giving me 21. That means this spot is 21. That's what it means. Now, if I know that that spot is 21, to come here, it's 21 times 4, and then I'm supposed to add 6. And I get 90 for that spot. So there it is. We easily work those. So you have to be thinking, the questions are like this every single time. Does not change. Right? Now we have so they are saying now, remember now, we're dealing with tables and the seating arrangements. There are 2 types of seating arrangement. We have a M and a L seating arrangement. So they are saying that, listen, Leah needs to arrange a table to seat 70 people, meaning 70 chairs. 70 people refers to 70 chairs. All right? All right. Which of the following arrangement will allow him to rent less? In other words, we are saying that using this equal to 70 and this equal to 70, we're looking for an n that is smaller. Which one of these could give me the smallest n? N refers to the number of tables. All right, so that's what they're looking for. The number of which will be seated for the number of tables, the least number of tables. The number of tables we're talking about n. N is in that column. So you just say, oh, that 4n plus 6 equals 70. And the 6n plus 6, and then we solve to see which one works out. So let us go. 4n is equal to 70 minus 6. So 4n is equal to 64. 4n is equal to 64. Divide that by 4. 64 divided by 4. N is equal to 16. Under the L arrangement is 16. Hold on. All right, 6 is 16. Let me fix my thing. Under the L arrangement, it is 16 tables they would need. 16 tables for the L arrangement. Let us work out this. 6n is equal to 70 minus 4. 6n is equal to 66. See there? This is 11. All right? So we're seeing where n is equal to 11. And this is the M. All right? So this is the M arrangement here. So we need 11 tables. Definitely, let's focus on the question. Look at the question, right? Which one are the arrangement? Which one is L or M will allow for the least number of tables? The answer is M. M allows for the least tables. 11 tables will do it for me under the M arrangement. I need 16 for the L.